Hi, welcome to Land Rover Naperville. My name is Chris Peterson. I'd like to take some time to show you the 2018 Range Rover Velar. Now this vehicle that just came out is a brand new, exciting model on their lineup, and this thing is unbelievable. To run through a couple specs, you can get this vehicle in a 4-cylinder turbo or a 6-cylinder supercharged. The vehicle that you're currently looking at is a 6-cylinder supercharged. This thing is unbelievable. It's also going to give you some unbelievable looking wheels on this vehicle. The lines on it are absolutely amazing. It's going to give you some of the coolest door handles in this industry that you have ever seen. Come on down and take a test drive in this 2018 Range Rover Velar and you will not be disappointed.